Hello, and welcome back to Redneck Snack and Food Reviews. This is my last summer menu Blizzard review for Dairy Queen, and I'm topping it off with their cotton candy Blizzard, which they've had over the past 3 summers at least, I'd say. So everyone really knows what it tastes like, but I just need some filler material so I don't run out of things to talk about. So that's pretty much essentially why I'm doing it. I'm grabbing a couple more things from Dairy Queen before I call it quits with things to review from there. What per se am I going to be grabbing from Dairy Queen, you may ask, or may be wondering. So I've been trying out all the cake shakes. So I got the chocolate cake shake, and then they have sprinkles now that they can add to anything that your heart desires, and there's a sprinkle sundae. So I'm gonna get the sprinkle sundae, and that'll be fun. But I won't be reviewing that. I'll have a post with that on there. But anyways, in terms of fast food, don't have too much coming up as far as I know. I know there's Taco Bell, Flamin' Hot Doritos Tacos Locos, and then it's hot. So if you can hear the AC, I apologize. But then Dunkin's got some things, and they've been delaying that, which they've got perfectly good reason for that. So I was in the grocery store today, and gotta say, good job to a lot of y'all. A lot of y'all are just, you're not BSing, you're not, going out for stupid reasons. You're going for essentials, and I am proud of everyone that's doing that. I cannot say I'm doing the same. I apologize. Condemn me if you want, but a lot of people, they're taking this seriously and they're staying home. Because I walked down the Easter candy aisle, and holy cow. I was gonna say crap, but I'm gonna say cow. Holy cow. The whole aisle's pretty much filled. They got every piece of Easter candy your heart would desire. 50% off. Now, Walmart, you need to do, and anyone that's got Easter candy, you need to do a better job. And what do I mean by that? I mean, don't offer discounts right now. Do not offer discounts on Easter candy. You're pretty much telling everybody, hey, come get our Easter candy. No. Heck no. Come on, Walmart. You ain't, I knew that would happen. But heck no, Walmart. You ain't supposed to be doing all that nonsense. You know what I mean, guys? Sorry about that phone. You ain't supposed to be advertising, candy being 50% off. You're supposed to be telling people stay home. That candy ain't expiring for another year or 2. Come on, Walmart. You know better than this. Let it sit there and get rid of it another time. You got the time. Don't try and rush it out of there. But it's how many days? This is the 2nd day after Easter. The fact that no one went yesterday when it became 50% off, I am proud. I am proud of you guys. And no, I'm not a huge supporter of this social distancing movement, but y'all are sticking to it. Y'all are really showing that y'all care about others' health. So I say good job, and we'll see if that stockpile of Easter candy stays the same throughout the weeks. But yeah, it's still all there, which is really cool to see how stocked up that is. But yeah, I think that's really cool to see. So I did get a thing of Easter candy. I like the Reese clusters, and so they only really do them during seasonal things like Easter, and they've done them during Christmas, I think, but I can't really remember. But yeah, I mean, wow, it was great. You could get any Easter bunny any of that. You know, I don't know how it looks like at other stores, but it looked good. It made me happy. So anyways, I know that was like, you know, a little tangent, side tangent, but like, who's really watching this? It's mostly just my fans, the people who really are here to watch me talk. So, you know, I might want to apologize, but, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and review this. To me, it looks a little blander than usual. Like colorless. It looks white mostly, but that's fine as long as it tastes good, because usually this one tastes pretty good. It's got that distinct cotton candy flavor. We'll go with it. So here we go. Now, I don't really know how cotton candy's made, but I'm assuming these are like the crystals. That they put in cotton candy. That cotton candy is like derived from. My thing with cotton candy is, I don't really know how to describe, because these days they be selling it as like fruit flavored. That's what they be calling this colors, but to me, it's just a different type of sugar. I can't taste fruit in cotton candy. But this always nails it, though. Absolutely nails the flavor for cotton candy. And when I first saw that this was a flavor years ago, I had the oh heck no kind of opinion. I was like, why would you do this? And there goes my phone again. But as the years have gone by, I have started to realize that, you know, it's a really solid flavor. And it might even have a cult following, because they bring it back along with s'mores every single year, every single summer. And y'all know how iconic s'mores are. But yeah, it's a simple flavor, but they nail it with the crystals and everything. Now just imagine mixing this with the animal cookie Blizzard. That would be a beauty. If I worked at Dairy Queen, my first thing that I would do is I would make me a large Blizzard of every single flavor there is. Because I know it'd be good. They should really make a pina colada Blizzard, though. That would be really cool. But yeah, this is really good. It kind of stands out when you compare it to like all these chocolate Blizzards they're doing. So to me, I'd say it's 8.5, just because it's really simple, and I would actually like to see like actual cotton candy be mixed into this somehow. But I know it's hard to do that. But no, it's Or you could put cotton candy on top like a ball of cotton candy. But anyways, that's aside from the point. It's really solid. I think most of y'all who are watching already know this. But I would say try it. I would say make it a priority over most of the chocolate ones, because chocolate ones kind of just get boring and repetitive to me. Like, they're all good. All the chocolate ones. I have not had a bad Blizzard yet. Of course, I hear that the banana split Blizzard's been bad and all that, but like, they don't have that now for a reason. But honestly, I'd say it's a good change of pace. All three of their lesser chocolate ones, the raspberry is my favorite out of the three. I love the animal cookie. And then, what are they doing? Just driving all over the parking lot. And then, I'd say animal cookie is pretty stable as well. So all three of these are good, non-chocolate ones. And for the chocolate ones, I thought they were all pretty good, but you know, there's not much of a difference between any of them per se, except for small little minor details. So, yeah, that's it for this review. I've got one more review for today, so y'all keep your eyes out for that. And yeah, go ahead and give this video a like, comment, and share. Definitely give a subscribe if you haven't. Check out my Instagram, Redneck Snacking Food, because I love to post on that without just doing reviews. So yeah, that's all I got for y'all for now, and I will see y'all around. Yeah.